You look in there, Jess? What are we making?
What colors are
Can you get this one away from my arm?
Oh no! Oh no! Jess!
No. No, you gotta put it back in.
Just
Whoa. It was a close call. Keep it in there. You gotta keep it in there. That's a close call.
say green
It's neon green.
or this one.
That one is neon green. Isn't that neat? I think there was another neon. Oh. Jess, honey, you got to put it back in because it's out. Are you done with it? Did you want to make it pink? Did you want it pink for Emily? You want to look at it? Yeah, let's look at it. See, like that. Do you want it like that? You like that one? You want it to go back in? You're looking at it? You want it? Do you want it that color? Yeah? I don't know if that was a yes or a no. Should we put it back in, Jess? Okay, we'll wait for a few minutes, okay? Yeah.